Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm unboxing the Witch's Roots January 2022 box. I love this box. I'm excited to see what we're getting this month. Let's see. So they're going to increase the shipping $1, which still leaves this box at extremely affordable. Goddess of Wealth is the theme. Ooh, I got a lot. Goddess Lakshmi. Beautiful. Cascara Sagrada. Very cool. Very, very cool. Ooh, my gosh, I have so much. Okay, let's check it out. It smells really yummy and fresh in this box. Love it. So we have a beautiful golden beeswax candle, which is just so yummy because it looks like natural beeswax. I love that. And then we have, looks like a citrine, but let's take it out. Still looks like a citrine, which is great for wealth, so it makes sense. We've got Sol, so sun, and that's that beautiful smell. We've got Cascara Sagrada. I'm gonna have to read about it because it's not ringing a bell right at this moment. Goddess of Prosperity. It smells pretty. I can smell like, I think, jasmine, but we'll come back. We'll circle back to it. Okay. And then we've got, it looks like a little statue of Lakshmi. Pretty pretty. And let's read this. As we step into the lighter months of the year, we bask in the bright and beautiful emotions of new opportunity, growth, and renewed hope. It is during these months that we stand above the clouds, able to clearly see our purpose on the horizon. We truly become overjoyed during this time of year as we allow ourselves to focus on our growth and transformation. In this very special collection, we work with such delicate and peaceful energies, supporting us in obtaining new wealth, prosperity, and abundance in our lives. Wealth is not always associated with physical currency, but rather the amount of blessings, companionship, and understanding that fills our experiences. Take the time these coming months to make your intentions clear and unbound. Know that this is a time when your life changes and manipulates into a more complex and beautiful creation. So Cascara Sagrada is a very unique and powerful bark that originally comes from a species of buckthorn that is distributed throughout the American Pacific Northwest and British Columbia. Cascara is commonly found along streams in the forests of the valleys and in moist overgrown areas. This bark is called the sacred bark by the Spanish, originally adopted by the indigenous peoples of the Pacific Northwest, and was aged for 12 months to be included in specific teas and brews that would ease stomach ailments. In addition to its specific health benefits, Cascara Sagrada is a wonderfully magical bark. Among many practitioners, it's said it is used as a lucky court case herb, assisting those who find themselves involved with legal matters. It is said that if Cascara Sagrada bark is burned upon charcoal before a legal proceeding or added to a mojo bag, the effects can bring deliverance and resolution. It is also commonly used within a variety of money and prosperity spells. Can lend a hand in finding prosperous employment, starting a new business, or simply attracting new opportunities into your life. It also has the immense ability to dispel negativity, hexes, or malevolent spirits. Carry it with you in a mojo bag or simply as a charm to protect your aura from psychic attacks. Great. Perfect. So then there's the artwork. The statuette of Lakshmi. Hindu goddess. Sacred goddess of merchants. Bestows wonderful kindness to those who call upon her. Goddess of wealth. An artwork, Book of Shadows for her. Citrine templed stone. Golden aura mini spell candle. Goddess of prosperity magical oil, which has basil, almond, cinnamon, ginger, and cedarwood oil with calendula and basil herbs, with a money draw magical oil from their personal cabinet, and Sol ritual incense sticks. So again, another wonderful thing. This box is $29 a month, and I guess it's going to increase to $30, which is still, I think, a great deal for all of these items. And I'm obviously a huge fan and will continue to get them as long as humanly possible. So I'm going to leave their link in the description below. As always, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you soon.